How to fix your webcam not working in Microsoft Teams. So whether your webcam's not being detected or you're seeing a black screen, I'm going to show you how we can fix these issues. Now, the first step is just to go and open up the start menu on your computer and then click on settings. In the left-hand navigation, we need to click on privacy and security, and then you need to scroll down to the camera and click on this. Make sure the camera access is turned on like so. Make sure let apps access your camera is also turned on. And then you need to scroll down and you should be able to see Microsoft Teams from this list. Just make sure it's also turned on. And if you don't see Microsoft Teams from here, just make sure it's running in the background and it should show up in this list of applications. Now finally, just make sure let desktop apps access your camera is also switched on, and then you can go and close out of this window. Now if that still doesn't solve the issue, we're going to open up Microsoft Teams and then you need to head over to your settings. So you can do that by clicking these three horizontal dots and pressing settings. In the left navigation, click on devices and then scroll down to video settings. Click on the drop down arrow next to camera and just make sure you have the correct webcam or camera selected. And once you've done that, once again, check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then open up the start menu on your computer, search for device manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to cameras and you should be able to see your webcam from this list. Now we just need to go in, right click on this, click on update driver and press browse my computer for drivers. You can then press let me pick from a list of available drivers, click on this option here and press next. Now once you've reinstalled the driver, we're lastly going to right click on this again, click on update driver and press search automatically for drivers. Once you've done this, you can close out of these windows and that should have now fixed your webcam issue. If it's still not working, then just check for a physical switch on your laptop. Sometimes there's a slider right next to the webcam on your computer and you simply need to go and swipe this to the left or to the right, and this is a privacy setting that will either hide or unhide your camera. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.